Hello everyone, here is a video on how you can change your gender preference on Bumble. So let's start. Open the Bumble app. From the main screen, tap on the filter icon on the top right side of your screen. Now, in the Who You Want to Date section, you can choose your gender preference regarding your dating options. If you are open to dating anyone, then enable the slider right next to it like this, or you can choose your specific gender preference regarding who you want to date. You can either select a single option or multiple options like this. After you select your option, simply tap on apply and the gender preference will be applied. Now you will see profiles based on the gender preferences that you selected on your home screen. Hence, in this way you can select your gender preference on the Bumble dating app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.